Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash full version. To begin, you'll need to understand the fundamental controls. Simply tap or click to make your icon jump, avoiding various obstacles like spikes and moving blocks. The game features several modes, each with distinct mechanics, so take time to explore them. Practicing your timing is crucial for success, as precise jumps are key to overcoming challenges and progressing through levels. Once you grasp the basics, mastering core mechanics becomes your next step. Geometry Dash heavily relies on rhythm and recognizing patterns in level design. Use the practice mode extensively. It allows you to place checkpoints and retry challenging segments without losing overall progress. Don't forget to personalize your gameplay by experimenting with the many available icons and color schemes to make your experience uniquely yours. Beyond the official levels, Geometry Dash offers a vast world of advanced play and customization. Dive into the millions of user-created levels, providing endless new challenges and incredible variety. Keep an eye out for secret coins hidden within levels. Collecting them unlocks new achievements and special rewards. For the truly creative, the in-game editor allows you to design and share your very own custom levels with the global community. Finally, here are some tips for success and how to engage with the vibrant community. Persistence is absolutely key. Every failed attempt is a learning opportunity. Consider watching skilled players on various platforms to pick up advanced strategies and techniques. Engaging with the Geometry Dash community, whether through forums or social media, can provide immense support, inspiration, and help you discover new aspects of the game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.